Cost of Christmas got you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Hi, Wealth Warrior. Sherry here from Wealth Warrior Canada, a Canadian financial literacy firm focused on money mindset and financial education. We specialize in giving growth-minded and driven Canadians the tools, system, and education that clarifies their path to freedom, because no one should have to choose between their joy and their job. Christmas can be a really stressful time for people, and it's often a budget buster for people. So it's really important to have some strategies in place to help you with your Christmas spending. So today I'm going to talk about 3 tips to help you with your Christmas budget. So the first tip is to create a budget. So a budget is really just the spending plans, and you can have a plan for everything, right? You can have a spending plan for your general day-to-day life. You can have a spending plan for when you go on a trip. You can have a spending plan for major life changes. You can have a spending plan for special holidays like Christmas. So if you create a spending plan for Christmas, a budget for Christmas, then you have some parameters around how much you're going to spend per person. Who are you going to purchase gifts for? So you have clear parameters, and you know exactly going in before doing any shopping how much you're going to spend on each person. It helps you clarify and set those guidelines for yourself, so that when you're inside a store, you're looking at all the fancy things, you want this, you want that, you think this person will love that. That's incredible, but I want you to ask yourself some questions. One is, how does that serve you if you make that purchase for that person? And 2, does that person really need this or want this? How would it add value to their life? Or will it just add more stuff to their life? So a couple of questions for you to consider when you're making those purchases in the moment. The next tip is start early. So if you start early, you can actually spread out your Christmas shopping over October, November, December, right? Instead of just having it all in one month, you could spread it out. And if you're really good at planning, maybe you can even spread that out over more months. The third tip is to look for deals and discounts. So looking at Black Friday, Cyber Monday, end of year sales, those kinds of things can really help your budget. So I hope those tips helped you out today, and I hope they help you put some structures and parameter around your Christmas shopping and make that a more enjoyable activity rather than feeling overwhelmed and stressed out. Okay, rooting for you. Thanks for being here. The more that we talk, the more that we learn. Talk money to people so that we can all learn together, right? Talk money with your parents, with your partner, with your kids, with your friends, with your family, with everybody. Talk money with me. Book your free financial checkup. Go to my website, wealthwarriorcanada.ca, and let's talk money. Okay, the more that we talk, the more that we learn. Thanks for joining me today. Please join me again next time.